The Podole Voivodeship was a unit of administrative division and local government in the Kingdom of Poland, since 1434 until 1793–1795, except for the period of Ottoman occupation as Podolia Eyalet. During the Turkish occupation, the regional council held its sessions first in Halicz, and later in Lwow. Together with the Bracław Voivodeship, it formed the region of Podolia, which in the Kingdom of Poland was part of Lesser Poland province of the Polish Crown. Its capital was in Kamianets-Podilskyi. Local sejmiks also took place in this city. The seat of the Starosta was at Kamianets-Podilskyi as well. The voivodeship was created 1434 out of former Duchy of Podolia, which had become part of the Kingdom of Poland in the second half of the 14th century. After the Second Partition of Poland, it was seized by the Russian Empire, which in 1793 created the Podolia Governorate. Today the region belongs to Ukraine. Zygmunt Glodger, in his monumental book Historical Geography of the Lands of Old Poland, gives a detailed description of Podole Voivodeship. In ancient times, Podole was a borderland of permanent Slavic settlements, behind which were steppes inhabited by nomadic tribes. Proximity of these barbaric tribes made it impossible for the Slavs to take full advantage of Podole, which is the most beautiful and the richest of all Slavic lands. For many years, borders of Podole were not defined. The province was captured by the Tatars in the 13th century. They in return were chased away by the Lithuanians, who in the mid-14th century clashed here with Poland. Podole was in 1352 captured by Algirdas, and in 1396 King Władysław Jagiello placed this land under Spitek of Melston. Later on, Podole was ruled by Switrigala, and finally in 1434 the Sejm created Podole Voivodeship, naming Piotr Odrowa as the first voivode. Still, the Grand Duchy of Lithuania continued to claim this land, and the conflict was ended by the 1569 Union of Lublin. If it had not been for thousands of Polish Szlachta families, who since the 14th century settled here, Podole would remain a deserted steppe. Boundaries of the new voivodeship were as follows. In northwest it bordered Trembowla County of Ruthenian Voivodeship, in the north it bordered Volhynian Voivodeship, while in the east it touched Bracław Voivodeship. Whole southern and southwestern border went along the Dniestr and the Dnieper rivers. In its early years, Podole Voivodeship had a number of small counties, which were located around royal castles. In the 15th century, there were counties of Skala Podolska, Smotrich, Bykota, Latycza, Miedzibos, Chmielnik, Zinkow, and Bar. Finally, in 1542 only 3 counties were established, at Czerwonograd, Kamieniec and Latycza. In the 16th century, Podole Voivodeship had 37 towns, and according to the 1578 census, there were 650 villages. By 1583, the number of villages was reduced to only 434, due to constant Crimean Tatar raids. The voivodeship also had 35 castles and forts. Podole Voivodeship had 3 senators, the bishop, the voivode and the castellan of Kamieniec. Local Starosta, who also used the title General of Podolian lands, governed 2 towns, those of Kamieniec and Latycza. There also were starostas at Czerwonograd, Bar, Chmielnik, Kopajgrad, Makarov, Ploskira and others. Sejmiks took place at Kamieniec, where 6 deputies to the Sejm were elected, as well as 2 deputies to the Lesser Poland Tribunal at Lublin. Podole Voivodeship had 2 border judges, who cooperated with officials of the Ottoman Porte, solving border conflicts. Municipal government, voivodeship governor seat, Kamieniec-Podilskyi, General Council for all Ruthenian lands, Sadura Wisnia. Regional council seats: Kamianets-Podilskyi. Administrative division: Kamianiec County, Kamianets-Podilskyi. Czerwonograd County, Czerwonograd. Latyczo County, Latyczo. Voivodes: Michał Buszacki, Michał Buszacki, Mikołaj Mierlecki, Stanislaw Odrowaz, Tomasz Zamoyski, Marcin Krasicki, Marcin Kazanowski, Stanislaw Potocki, Suren Rułaski. Neighboring voivodeships and regions: Ruthenian Voivodeship, Volhynian Voivodeship, Kiev Voivodeship, Bracław Voivodeship, Moldavia.